let's see. Let's move the camera a bit. Let's do it this way, make it a little easier. There we go. But yeah, now I live in the city in California, and you can't just fly drones willy-nilly where you want. You have to get authorization from the FAA, which is the other reason why I'm doing a lot of simulation. Okay, now it's getting tough. I just want something better than a freaking... Oh, don't crash, don't crash. Which way do I go?
Oh, by the way.
Yeah. I can talk while I do my thing. Oh! Just in time, man! Oh no, I was late. I didn't get my... Well, hey, I got an A though, so I'll take the A for now. It's not A plus, but I got an A. It's not perfect, but I didn't crash, and I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take that one. Whew. Oh, by the way, what's up, man? By the way, it doesn't bother me while I pilot. I'm capable of because I have the speech to text on. I don't have to look over and not be able to. I don't have to look to read what I'm seeing.